Welcome to Pip Insight. Monday the 13th of July, Asian pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 2 showing bullish structure and 5 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's Asian pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, dollar yen, dollar Swiss. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar, pound yen. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you've been waiting for the gold segment, here we go, and there's plenty to unpack tonight. Gold is sitting at $4,002 as we head into the Asian Open, and the picture is firmly bearish. We've seen an aggressive multi-day descent from the $4,147 area, slicing straight through both the $4,050 and $4,000 psychological levels in rapid succession. On the 4-hour chart, every moving average, the 20, the 50, and the 200, is stacked well above price in full bearish alignment, and the MACD is deepening. The RSI has collapsed to an extreme 10, which tells us this decline has been sharp and relentless, though extreme readings alone don't signal a reversal. Right now, price is consolidating in a tight range near $4,002, just above the support zone between $3,988 and $3,996. The broken base from earlier in the session, roughly $4,020 to $4,027, is now acting as the overhead resistance ceiling. On the fundamental side, today's calendar is relatively quiet for gold. We have 2 Fed speakers, Bowman early and Waller at midday, both rated low impact, but any commentary reinforcing a higher for longer rate outlook could keep dollar strength elevated and weigh further on gold. For the Asian session, the levels to watch are $4,020 to $4,027 above, and $3,988 to $3,996 below. A sustained move beneath that support opens the conversation toward $3,975. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.1405 and 1.1412. Support is marked between 1.1368 and 1.1375. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.3368 and 1.3372. Support is marked between 1.3338 and 1.3343. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 162.48 and 162.65. Support is marked between 161.87 and 162.02. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.8149 and 0.816. Support is marked between 0.8115 and 0.8127. Here is the full chart breakdown. Aussie dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.6932 and 0.6936. Support is marked between 0.6908 and 0.6912. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 217.08 and 217.31. Support is marked between 216.45 and 216.66. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the Asian pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.